Hey y'all, this is Nancy for Whimsy Stamps, and I'm here with the product reveal for this fun 6x6 red rubber background cling stamp called Fruity. Can you stand it? I absolutely love it. The name, the texture, the pattern, the design, there's so much detail. Like, oh my gosh, guys, I'm in love with this. And it just stamps out beautifully. If you use your stamping platform, make sure that you pull out that mouse and all the different pads, and you can use some washi tape or some kind of double-sided adhesive, a temporary one, to adhere your paper into your platform, and then just lay it down, ink it up, and look at that beautiful, beautiful picture, the image. I mean, the detail just blows my mind. It does not matter to me how many times I see it. It blows my mind. It's so beautiful. So this is the card that I've made for you today. I actually have a couple going, and I'm feeling a little grunge this time. And so I used some Brush-Os to kind of paint this image, and it was super, super bold and super, super kind of messy. So I just kind of scaled it back, and I used just that one image as a focal point on the card. Now these two, the rainbow and these two tags, you'll have to hop over to my channel, Handy Scandy's Crafty Ventures, to see how I finish those two. But for now, guys, this is the product reveal for the Fruity 6x6 background stamp. It's red rubber, it's cling, it's fantastic. You don't want to miss it. Look at that. I mean, I can't stand it. There's so much detail. And who doesn't love some fruit? So guys, you really want to check it out. All the details are downstairs in the description box. Everything is linked and listed downstairs for ease of shopping. Now this is new release day, so there's a bunch of things for you to see. So stick around. There will be more, and hop on over and see us on all the socials. And until next time, this is Nancy, and I'm out.